To remove more virus on iPhone before it separates your iPhone screen from automatically zooming in, it's most likely caused by a shortcut in Shortcuts app or an accessibility setting. First, delete the HH School Flights shortcut or any other unwanted shortcut from your iPhone home screen. Next, use three finger to test the zoom feature. If it's enabled, turn it off in the settings app. Open the settings app and scroll down to accessibility. Tap zoom, then turn it off. Your iPhone screen will no longer zoom in automatically. Next, check for another settings that may have been changed by the shortcut. Go back to the previous menu and tap display and text size. Scroll down a little and turn off smart invert or classic invert if either one is enabled. You can also report this shortcut to Apple. If you are experiencing display color issues or any other hardware related problem, contact Apple's support for official assistance. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and updates.